This is Tom. Tom is a very pretty kitty cat. He's a male. He's about 1 year old. He is one of the kitty cats that came from our situation with a hoarder. And a hoarder is a person that has way too many animals to care for properly. He may love the animals, but if he doesn't have the proper food and water and care, that is not good. So Tom came here with some other friends, and they were actually starving. Tom was the scaredest of all the kitties. Very scared. Now he comes out looking for people, wanting attention. He just got over a cold, so that's just a little bit of stains on his eyes from his cold. Oh, excuse me. Yay, honey. So if you are looking for a very deserving kitty cat, please come and consider Tom. Tom has been sponsored by the Cannell family, so he's only $50. He's a wonderful kitty who is a deserving soul. So come on and see this sweet kitty cat.